Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 1963 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL. This casting is by Matchbox and it was new for 2024. Looks like a good casting. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 230 SL out of its packaging. And first thing you will notice is this cool white paint with red interior. It's more of a maroon rather than red, and actually looks good here. Doesn't look bad. Now on the side, you might have seen these wheels on a lot of different Matchbox, and they look alright, especially for the cars that used to have steel wheels. They kind of mimic that, so not bad. Up front, again, good details here. You can see you've got detailed headlamp, turn indicators, a detailed grille with classic Mercedes badge, chrome bumper again, and I don't know what these are called, but older cars used to have these too. Some had the chrome ones, some had the rubber ones, but they had these. So you can see the number plate holder here. Since we are on the hood, you can see, I think this one opens on the opposite side. Not sure, but again, or maybe there's a hood vent there. I think it's a vent there, but I'm not sure which side this opens up to. This, because some of the older Mercs had that hood that opened up on the other side. I'm not sure. You also see the slight bulge here. Since we are here, you can see the rear view mirror, inside rear view mirror. You can see the sun visors, windshield wipers. I do have a small complaint. Matchbox does such a good job on all their cars, but I don't know why they didn't do mirrors here. That would have made this casting look even better. It's alright, it's not a bad casting. Let's move to the passenger side. It's almost identical as the driver side. Don't see any differences. You can see same space for turn indicators and door handle. So if you look closely, you can see the wheel arches, they're slightly outwards. Look nice. Coming to the back, again good details here. You can see detailed tail lamp, Mercedes badge, 230 SL badge, and the number plate says My 230. And again chrome bumper in the back. Okay, I'm not sure if the fuel filler was on the back there. It looks like a fuel filler back there. I'm not sure. Might be, because I don't see fuel filler anywhere else. And this is how it looks from the bottom. We already saw the interior. So overall, I think it's a nice looking casting. Looks really good and will be a great addition to all the other Mercs from Matchbox. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.